While a Halo installation is typically under the supervision of a single monitor or caretaker, the enormity of its processes require numerous automated drones. These machines are commonly referred to as Sentinels. Sentinel operations meet a wide variety of ends, whether it's the repair of damaged structures, the mining and retrieval of raw material, or, most importantly, the containment of the flood parasite during an outbreak. For this reason, the design and size of Sentinels varies as well, from the small flitting constructors to the heavily armored enforcers, and even larger retrievers, gigantic strato-sentinels which strip mine resource sites for the ring's construction. Held aloft by an anti-gravity system which makes the buildings mobile, large Sentinel production factories hover high above a ring's surface, safe from the flood. Though Sentinel assemblage facilities do not have the same significance as other sites on the Halo installations, their relative importance in the event of a flood outbreak cannot be ignored. Records indicate that during combat on Installation 05, also known as Delta Halo, the flood targeted the Sentinel factory using captured Covenant weapons to bring it down. This event served as a sobering reminder of the necessity of Sentinels to manage a flood outbreak, as well as the insidious and intelligent nature of the parasite itself.